Traveling well is not always easy. Keeping your suitcase with you when you fly not only protects your belongings from loss or damage, but may help you avoid extra fees as well. If you decide to do so, you need a good carry-on bag. Over the past 10 years, we've handled, tested, and traveled with 67 bags from more than 35 brands. And we remain convinced that the Travel Pro Platinum Elite offers the best balance of value and quality for most travelers. It packs 5 days worth of clothes into standard US carry-on dimensions and has premium touches you might expect from a $600 bag at about half the price. We have listed the best carry-on luggage 2025, and there are key features you need to consider this to help you choose the best one for you. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 6. Level 8 Luminous Lightweight. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting out, finding the perfect luggage can be a daunting task. With so many options on the market, it can be hard to know where to begin. That's why I'm excited to introduce you to Level 8 Luggage. In this post, I will share with you my honest Level 8 luggage review, as well as what prompted me to try it in the first place. Let me start by saying I'm not a luxury traveler. I also avoid appearing in photos, which has the added benefit of not requiring 200 different outfits. As such, I have always traveled light, often with just a cabin bag. For my more adventurous trips, I use a backpack, but for city breaks, and especially when I'm traveling for work, I like to use a hard-backed 4-wheel cabin bag. Why 4 wheels? Because I often find myself sprinting across the airport to catch a connecting flight, I find running with the luggage next to me much easier than behind me. Level 8 is a New York-based premium suitcase manufacturer that recently started offering free shipping to the UK. Their ethos is to reduce the hassle of traveling by designing simple, stylish, and above all, functional luggage. Each of their cases is made with high-quality materials to ensure the longevity of their products. The luggage arrived in a cotton dust bag, ensuring that it was clean and free of any blemishes when I pulled it out. I also like the attention to detail. It showed me that as a company, Level 8 really cares. Not just about functionality, but also the experience. Number 5. Hanka H8002 Hard Shell. The Hanka H8002 Hard Shell is a robust and durable option designed for those who seek reliable protection for their belongings. This hard shell case is crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of travel, outdoor adventures, or daily commutes. The exterior features a sleek, modern design that not only looks good, but also enhances its resilience against impacts and scratches. Inside, the H8002 offers ample storage space with well-organized compartments, making it easy to keep your items secure and accessible. The padded interior provides additional cushioning for fragile items, such as electronics or delicate equipment, safeguarding them from bumps and drops. Moreover, its lightweight construction allows for easy portability without adding unnecessary bulk. The case is equipped with a reliable locking mechanism, ensuring that your belongings remain safe and secure at all times. Whether you are a frequent traveler, an outdoor enthusiast, or simply someone who values the safety of their gear, the Hanka H8002 Hard Shell stands out as an excellent choice that combines practicality with style. Its versatility makes it suitable for various uses, from camera equipment to personal items, making it an essential companion for anyone on the go. Number 4. Swiss Gear Scion Best Value. The Swiss Gear Scion is a versatile and stylish backpack that has captured the attention of commuters and travelers alike. Known for its robust construction and practical features, the Scion is designed to accommodate the needs of both daily use and adventurous outings. One standout feature of the Swiss Gear Scion is its spacious interior, which includes dedicated compartments for laptops and tablets, ensuring that your tech is well protected during transit. The backpack can easily fit devices up to 17 inches, making it ideal for students and professionals who require mobility without sacrificing functionality. Comfort is also a priority with the Swiss Gear Scion, as it boasts padded shoulder straps and a breathable back panel that allow for extended wear without discomfort. Whether you're navigating through crowded public transport or hiking a scenic trail, the ergonomic design helps distribute weight evenly, reducing strain on your shoulders and back. In terms of organization, the Scion is equipped with multiple pockets, including front zippered compartments and side mesh pockets for water bottles or quick access items. This thoughtful layout makes it easy to keep your essentials sorted and readily available, whether you're commuting to work, heading to class, or embarking on a weekend getaway. Moreover, the Swiss Gear Scion is crafted from high-quality, weather-resistant materials, offering durability and protection against the elements. This feature ensures that your belongings stay safe and dry, regardless of the conditions you encounter. Number 3. Delcy Paris Châtelet Air 2.0 Best Looking. The Delcy Paris Châtelet Air 2.0 is a premium luggage option that combines elegance with functionality, making it an ideal choice for discerning travelers. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this suitcase boasts a sophisticated design that is both stylish and practical. The exterior features a durable, lightweight polycarbonate shell that not only enhances its resilience against the rigors of travel, but also adds a touch of chicness to your journey. One of the standout features of the Chatelet Air 2.0 is its unique four-wheel spinner system, which allows for effortless maneuverability in any direction. Whether navigating through bustling airports or crowded city streets, this suitcase glides smoothly, reducing the strain on your arms and shoulders. The 360-degree wheels are designed for stability, ensuring that your luggage remains upright even on uneven surfaces. Inside, the Chatelet Air 2.0 is thoughtfully organized with a spacious main compartment and various pockets for easy access to your essentials. The fully lined interior not only provides protection for your belongings, but also adds a touch of luxury. Additionally, the suitcase is equipped with a removable, washable lining, making it easy to keep your travel gear fresh and clean. Security is a top priority with the Chatelet Air 2.0, featuring a built-in TSA-approved lock that ensures your valuables are kept safe during your travels. The elegant leather accents and signature Delcy Paris logo provide a sophisticated flair, setting this suitcase apart in a sea of ordinary luggage. Number 2. Travel Pro Platinum Elite Best Premium. The Travel Pro Platinum Elite luggage line is designed with the modern traveler in mind, seamlessly blending style, functionality, and durability. Built from high-quality, lightweight materials, the Platinum Elite range offers a sophisticated aesthetic that appeals to both business and leisure travelers alike. One of the standout features of this luggage collection is its innovative design, which includes a built-in USB port for charging devices on the go, allowing you to stay connected without the hassle of searching for outlets in busy airports. The luggage also boasts an impressive organizational system, with multiple compartments and pockets that ensure easy access to your belongings, making packing and unpacking a breeze. Additionally, the Platinum Elite line is equipped with smooth rolling wheels and an adjustable ergonomic handle, providing effortless maneuverability through crowded terminals or city streets. The luggage is constructed with high-density nylon fabric and features a water-resistant coating, ensuring that your belongings remain safe and dry, regardless of the weather conditions. Moreover, Travel Pro backs the Platinum Elite with a limited lifetime warranty, underscoring the brand's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or a long international journey, the Travel Pro Platinum Elite is poised to meet all your travel needs with style and reliability. Number 1. Samsonite Freeform Best 2024 Model. The Samsonite Freeform is a modern travel companion designed to meet the needs of today's jet-setters. With its sleek, contemporary design, this suitcase offers a perfect blend of style and functionality, making it an essential addition to any travel arsenal. One of the standout features of the Freeform is its lightweight construction, which allows travelers to maximize their packing capacity without exceeding airline weight limits. The Freeform series is available in a range of sizes, including carry-on and checked luggage options, ensuring that there's a suitable choice for every type of trip, whether it's a weekend getaway or an extended vacation. The exterior is crafted from durable polypropylene, offering exceptional resistance to scratches and impacts, which helps keep your luggage looking new even after multiple journeys. In terms of organization, the Samsonite Freeform boasts a spacious main compartment with a fully lined interior and multiple pockets to keep your belongings neatly arranged. Its expandable design allows for additional packing space when needed, while the smooth rolling wheels and telescoping handle ensure easy maneuverability in busy airports or crowded streets. Security is another priority for the Freeform, as it comes equipped with a built-in TSA-approved lock, providing peace of mind that your belongings are safe during transit. With a variety of vibrant colors to choose from, the Freeform not only stands out for its practicality, but also for its aesthetic appeal, making it a stylish choice for fashion-conscious travelers.